Anandam. My name is Nandita and I'm a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. So today I'm here to share with you all what it is, what I felt like when I read Akashic readings and how I felt when I received my Akashic readings. So first I'll tell you all what actually when I went and asked what was my past with Swamiji. So during Sadashivoham once Swamiji had told me that in my past I was with him as a yogini, as a Rudrakanya, and I had served him. Then, okay, I just left it. Then, when I went to the Akashic readings, when I asked Kalbhairav what was my past, so what was revealed to me was the same thing, like exactly what Swamiji told was revealed. Kalbhairav also told that in my past, I had lived 8 births with Swamiji. And so, in each and every birth, Swamiji had evolved me like every birth he had just prepared me and my biomemory to be able to manifest all the powers. So, and in one of the births, I was a Rudrakanya and I had served him. I had just lived with Swamiji and served him. And this was the exact thing that Swamiji also revealed to me. Then, after that, Kalabhairav also told that if the whole, my past life will be revealed to me as a vision in my third eye when I just go and hold Anandeshwari's hand. So, when I received the whole Akashic readings, the whole space, normally when I meet a Balasant before, how it feels, but when they sit there and when I go and see them there, the whole space, the oneness or with the way they are connected to Swamiji and the way they reveal, the whole space will be like completely different. I cannot even cognize that, okay, just before a few minutes I met them as a normal person, but now it'll be like Swamiji himself sitting there and revealing the whole past to me. And when I read the Akashic readings, especially the whole best time was when I read the past for the Gurukul kids, all the Balasants. That time, the amount of energy or what I felt, I drank 9 half-liter bottles of water just within 15 minutes. Like, I had so much of energy, I didn't know what to do. I was just constantly drinking water. And the whole space, when I see the Akash readings, and when the more and more I get into entanglement, the more the golden letters will appear. And I'll just be able to read it. And the whole space, it'll just be like a vague dream. I'll just remember, okay, I'm connecting in oneness to Swamiji during the puja. Then I'll just sit and people will come and ask, and it'll just be like, okay, a dream where many people came and asked, and I just revealed to them. But afterwards, I'll just feel like so much of energy had just come into my body, and it just went. So that whole space, when I read the Akash readings, the whole experience will be totally different. It'll just be all I'll remember is, okay, connected to Swamiji and just get into that oneness. Then when people come and ask, there'll be suddenly some joy or some kind of a bliss that will be happening. Then when I just look at Swamiji's deity, that will be there. The golden letters will start appearing in the deity and I'll just keep reading it out. So this whole process of reading the Akash readings will be such a beautiful experience where, and all which we need to do is just tell, okay, Swamiji, I'm just flow through me and reveal it to people. And then simply the letter starts appearing and I'll just read. So.